Alright guys, this is a Sundome Coleman 10 2-person. We're gonna unbox this bad boy and we can install it for you. It only takes like 10 minutes to install. Super easy guys. So we're gonna open it, unbox it, unleash the dragon. Well, unleash the tent, not the dragon. Okay, so we're gonna pull it out. That's what it looks like. We're gonna untie this. Untie it. Hurry up. That's the instruction. Okay, I might not need that. There's a tent with the rainfly and all kinds of tent. Alright, this is the pole. Okay. So later on we're gonna interlace it together. Interlace or connect them together. I'm sorry for my terminology. So it looks like that. They're not, straighten up. We'll straighten them up later. Okay, so we're gonna lay it down, throw it out there, and then I'm gonna show you the next one. We'll pick this one up. This is what you call the J hook, the hook that you planted to the ground. Okay, so you're gonna need a hammer for this project, and that's it. Just the hammer and yourself and your motivating, your motivation spirit. All right, that's all the hooks. I think there was like 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I say? 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 8 of them. Okay. And then we're gonna unfold this tent for 2-person. For your wife, for your girlfriend, you and your kid, I can fit in 3 in here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So now we're gonna how to install this. Okay, how to install it. Well, we're gonna get there. Alright, this is super easy. So unfold it, set it up like that, lay it to the ground. So now let's go to work. First thing first, we're gonna put this pole together. All right, we just stick it up in there. It'll stand up. Okay, see that? Snap it in. So easy. Below, straight. Those 2 long ones. Don't use the small one. I didn't use the small one. There's like another small. So what you're gonna do, pull it up right there. There's an opening up on top. You see that? Insert the pole up in there. Stick it up in there until it gets hard. No, not get hard, but until it goes through. Feed it. Feed the lion. Feed the dragon. So I already done it the other side. I'm gonna feed it on this side. You can see the opening up on top. There's a black, in it. Okay, feed it. I think I have to go under. I think I had to go under on the other, on the other pole. Under. There you go. Feed it. Push it through, baby. Push it real good, like you mean it. So you see the X-Man. It means you done the first step, baby. Next thing, you're gonna get the J hook. You planted that thing to the ground. The hook facing on you. You see that hook? It's facing on you, not the other way. So now we're gonna do the other side. Make sure you pull it. Get a little bit of tug. Plant it to the ground. Hammer it, baby. Oh yeah. So we're gonna do the other one. Like what I said, you're gonna give it a little tug. You pull it. Make sure it's tight, not loose. You know what I mean? So it won't move. It's tight. So alright. The hook facing on you, okay? It's facing on you. Alright, next thing, you see the pole. The pole is gonna go to that end. There's a sticking metal to the end. Get that secured. And then you're gonna go to the other side, the opposite side, and then secure that one too. You see that? You see the sticking metal right there? Right there. Push it there. Okay, now you had done that. Make sure they're all squared up. Make sure they're all even, side to side. Check it, adjust it. So we're gonna get the last end in. Alright. Okay. We're gonna give it some slack. We went over a little bit. Match it up. Okay, so now we gotta get this end in. Alright, last leg. Voila, this is what it looks like. Okay, 2-man tent. There's like a vent right here. You can use your J hook, or it's up to you. You can leave it like that. It's your choice. So we're gonna do a walk around right now. Voila. Okay, on this side, this is what it looks like. And from here, you can see what it looks like inside. Yeah? And then this is the main door. Okay, there's a zippy. You see that? You just zip it up to open it up. Oh, I mean to close it up, zip it down to open it. Voila.